Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 40. Which of the following will be applied when a metal Y is used to electroplate another metal X in electrolysis? A. Y is the cathode and X is the anode. B. Y is the anode and very high current is used. C. X is the anode and very high current is used. D. X is the anode and Y is the cathode. Now, there is a particular phenomenon that occurs during electrolysis, and during electrolysis metals and hydrogen are deposited as the cathode. Meanwhile, non-metals and oxygen are deposited at the anode. Okay, so this then means that for this scenario that is given to us, since Y is used to electroplate another metal X, it means that Y is the anode. Metal Y is the anode, hence used, or since it's a metal, of course it will be deposited at the cathode. So Y will be used as the anode, and then it will be deposited on X, which will be used as the cathode, because metals are deposited at the cathode. So Y is the cathode, Y is the anode rather, and X is the cathode. So option B says Y is the anode and very high current is used, which is correct. So BY is the anode and very high current is used is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.